In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block spam emails on Microsoft Outlook. If you're anything like most of us, your inbox can quickly become cluttered with unwanted messages. Whether it's promotional emails you never subscribe to or persistent spam, managing your email efficiently is key not only for productivity but also for peace of mind. Let's dive in and take control of our inboxes by blocking those pesky spam emails once and for all. First, we'll begin by opening your Microsoft Outlook account where we'll initiate this process. Once in your mailbox, look to the upper right corner and click on the settings icon. This icon typically resembles a small gear. Clicking it will open a sidebar with various options, one of which is labeled View All Outlook Settings. Click on this to proceed. Next, in the settings menu, you will see a tab labeled Mail on the left-hand side. Select this tab and you'll be presented with several options. Under the Mail settings, find and click the Junk Email option. This is where you'll be customizing your spam filters and blocking specific senders. In the junk email settings, you have the choice between standard and strict filtering. The standard setting allows slightly more leeway, letting through fewer messages to the junk folder, whereas the strict setting aggressively filters out unwanted emails. Choose the option that best aligns with your needs and risk tolerance for missing potentially non-spam emails. As another line of defense, you can opt to block emails with attachments, pictures, or links from senders who aren't in your safe senders list. This is particularly useful in preventing phishing attacks that could contain malicious attachments or links. Moving further down, you'll notice a section where you can enter email addresses and domains that you trust, which is your safe senders and domains list. Adding known and trusted senders here ensures that their messages will never be marked as spam. Simply click Add and type in the email addresses or domains you wish to deem safe. Below that, there's an area to list all blocked senders and domains. Any email address or domain you enter here will have messages from it automatically sent to the junk folder. This is especially handy for recurring spam that seems to slip through your other filters. Finally, you have the option to manage safe mailing lists. These are lists from specific organizations you trust, ensuring emails from them aren't mistaken for spam. Like with the safe senders, you can add these lists by typing in their addresses. And there you have it. By setting up these filters and lists in Microsoft Outlook, you can significantly reduce the amount of spam reaching your inbox, allowing you to focus on the emails that matter. Stay organized and keep your digital life clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps bring some order to your inbox chaos.